Yeah, no lunch for you. Hurry.
Nah, bro, this ain't working.
I'm on my way to work, but I thought I'd vlog the snow that we're about to get. So they say that's gonna be as bad as the one in 2003 in Colorado. Yeah, I was way off. It's 1885. Sorry, guys. And we haven't had snow like that in a long time. If we get as much as they're talking about, it's gonna be a lot. I've heard 2 feet, I've heard 3 to 6 feet. It's just started to snow this morning, probably about like 30 minutes ago, so I'm so excited. Yeah, hopefully we could go tubing. So hopefully we get to do that this weekend, and hopefully nobody snowed in. I know closer to the mountains they're telling people to prepare for it, so go get needed groceries just for like 72 hours or until they could probably clear pathways and stuff. So we'll see how this goes. And I'm sorry, I'm always wearing my jacket in all my videos and in my truck. It's my life. I'm always on the go, and this is what I do, and it's the only thing that I wear that actually connects me with the post office, because I'm a rural carrier, so I also drive my own car. So a lot of people think that when I pick up packages that I'm stealing them. So I've been asked a couple of times if the packages are mine, because they've had porch pirates. Hopefully you guys get to see some sledding and epic snow. And I hope this is the last snow of the season, because I'm so ready for that warmth in the summer and all the summer vibes. So stay tuned.
I'm so excited! I got the best news today. So I haven't had my little hoopty in about 2 weeks, and it's all done. The window's working it now. It doesn't shut off. I'm so happy because my truck has been getting a little banged up from all these packages I've been carrying. And God forbid I rip my freaking seats, because then I would have been pissed. But yay!
The sky's looking a little bit dark in some places. And then bam, here's the sun. Typical Colorado weather. Let's see what it decides to do. So it is Saturday. The last clip was from, I think, Wednesday. All week they have been telling us it's gonna snow tonight, it's gonna start tonight, and it hasn't. And so now it's Saturday, about 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I think it started finally. That it's like raining so far. It's like 35 degrees. It's raining, and now there's like a small snowflake. So we shall see where this is going to go today. Oh, I always felt bad for the poor little cows. Here it comes. Really coming.
In 3.3 miles, proceed to the route.
Those are big flakes. It's really coming. Ah. Yep, we should have waited to go shopping. We're pendejos. He wrecked his car because the roads got super bad this night.
It's the kind of beat that go ba-ta-ta.
Am I way out here in the front? Am I too far up or what?
A little winter wonderland moment.
Those aren't that big, bro.
Those are huge. Woo! Oh yeah, got some snow. It's still snowing. Woo, it's cold out here. Okay, ready?
All right, let's see. Flop your fat.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Flop it. Jump in there.
Oh no.
For real? I thought you were gonna lay in there, dude. Back. Just fall back.
No.
The fall of truth. I mean the. Go.
No.
Don't be a puss your whole life. Roll over.
It's so cold.
You're all fat and shit. Go.
Wind is picking up. Outside. Oh, I just smashed my fingers. Oh, out in the month of May.
I guess you can say what can make me feel this way. My girl.
Just get the thing.
Really?
For real, bro.
Don't you being a little bit dramatic?
No, it's bright out. Oh, we see.
Let me see that one.
Still be sledding?
Oh no. How you gonna sled with that? Guys, you sure are a goofball, bro.
Did you have fun, guys? Yeah? Did you have fun next? What happened? So guys, that was the end of our little blizzard, as they called it. Places got a lot of snow, power outages, trees falling. It was fun. Now it needs to all go away. We're done with the snow and the cold. Bring on spring and summer. Hope you enjoyed our little snow day. And now me and my girls are calling it a night. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching. Hey, you're big old. Look your legs.